In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Webflow site ID. Whether you're new to Webflow or just need a quick refresher, this guide will get you through the process in no time. Let's dive right in. First, head over to your preferred web browser and search for Webflow on Google. Once you find the official website, click on the link to sign up. If you're already familiar with Webflow's website, you might already know this step by heart, but don't worry if you're not quite sure just yet. It's all part of getting familiar with the platform. Next, you'll need to either log in or sign up if you don't have an account yet. If you're new, follow the prompts to create your account. The sign-up process is intuitive, asking for basic details like your name and email address. For those returning users, simply enter your credentials to log in. Once logged in, you will be greeted by your Webflow dashboard where all your projects are usually displayed neatly. Now, look for the project that you're interested in. You'll want to open this project in the Webflow Designer. The Designer is where the magic happens, as you're able to see and make changes to your project in real time. If your projects aren't immediately visible, you might need to navigate through the dashboard a bit, but they should appear under the Projects tab. With your project open, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen where the Webflow icon resides. Click on this icon, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll need to select Site Settings. This area is packed with a lot of important information and settings specific to your site, so it's important to be familiar with it. Once you're in the site settings, scroll down until you reach the Overview section. It's here where Webflow provides a condensed snapshot of your entire project. This section includes basic details like the project's name, the domain it's linked to, and most importantly for our task, the site ID. Here you will find your site ID displayed clearly. This number is unique to your site, and it's useful for a variety of reasons, including API integrations and when reaching out for Webflow support. Make sure you either jot it down or copy it as needed. And there you have it. You've successfully found your Webflow site ID with these simple steps. I hope you found this guide helpful and insightful. If you enjoyed this video or found it useful, please give it a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more how-to videos and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.